Yeah, that is my biggest piece of governance advice to people is to build out the governance before you need it and hope that the things that you're building in, you hope that you're never going to need them. But you should have, at a minimum, some kind of description about who makes decisions. And for most open source projects, especially the small ones and like the ones you described where it's, a group of friends working on vibes and good feels, it can be, the maintainers make the decisions. They, by consensus if possible, sometimes a vote if needed, but having that documented somewhere. And then the other piece that I always recommend that people have, and then this is the one that you really hope you never ever need, but have a way to remove people from the project all the way up to the top level. Have a process in place for how to remove key maintainers, how to remove founders, how to remove steering committee members. Have some process in place to be able to remove that toxic person. And then you hope you never need it. But the problem is, once you get into this environment where you have an issue and your governance processes don't address that issue, it's going to be really hard to fix it because your project's already in crisis. You don't have the governance you need, and at that point, it's kind of too late.